Lehigh Valley Academy community. The 2020-21 school year is coming to a close, and what a year it was. During this year, we found ways to stay 6 feet apart and wear our masks, but still connect, collaborate, and share ideas. Teachers and families created classroom spaces in their homes as the students and teachers Zoomed with each other for live synchronous lessons. Water fountains were turned into bottle fillers, and plexiglas shields cleaning and sanitizing kept everyone safe. Meetings and presentations took place through Zoom in the comfort of our own homes. Lehigh Valley Academy was accredited by the Middle States Association for 7 more years. And most snow days became learning days, except for the 2 where everyone had to shovel. Virtual concerts and plays entertained us. We were named the number 4 high school in the Allentown Metro Area by U.S. News and World Reports. All students got free meals at school or frozen meal packs when learning from home. And our seniors graduated on the home plate of Coca-Cola Park, the home of the Iron Pigs baseball team. LVA was named a distinguished Project Lead the Way school, one of only 204 in the United States. This was a most unusual year. We got through it because of the amazing faculty, staff, students, and families at LVA. This year took all of us working together and supporting one another. Clearly, everyone stepped up to make it a success. Together, we met challenges, and now together we look to the next year. We anticipate welcoming all of our students back into the building 5 days a week and no longer offering the 100% online learning option. After this year, one thing is certain. Whatever the future brings, this caring and supportive LVA family will work through it together and will make the best of it. Have a wonderfully relaxing summer. You've earned it. Thank you.